In the modern age, data is the backbone of every business. Numerous companies deal with the issue of managing all their data in one place, especially when it grows exponentially. Failure to properly monitor data can cost you a lot of time, money, and even your employees' productivity. So how can you ensure that your company's data is accurate and organized? The answer is simple. Hire or outsource a good data entry specialist. Hi and welcome back to the channel. I'm Trisha from Outsource Accelerator, and in this video you will learn about the qualities you should look for when hiring a data entry specialist. But first things first, what are the responsibilities of a data entry specialist? A data entry specialist's responsibilities vary from job to job, but there are some basic tasks that all data entry specialists perform. These include data entry, editing and formatting existing files, organizing paper files and documents according to specific criteria, and scanning paper documents into digital files using optical recognition software. The qualities of data entry specialists can be quite diverse, depending on the employer's needs. However, there are some of the specific skills you should look for when hiring one. Let's find out what those are. One skill you should look for in a data entry specialist is typing proficiency. Data entry specialists spend most of their time typing and inputting information into a computer. Naturally, they should be able to excel and be fast at typing while still doing their job accurately. Ideally, data entry specialists can type at least 45 words per minute. One error in a record could cause problems later on for the company. This is why data entry specialists need to be highly accurate when entering the data. A data entry specialist must have an excellent attention to detail in order to perform the job well. Third, a data entry specialist must be familiar with at least one standard software program to correctly enter information into the system. Most businesses use a certain type of software to organize their workflow and keep track of their customers, clients, and shareholders, and data entry specialists should know all about this specific software. Is your business tired of spending too much time and money on admin tasks? Then outsourcing is for you. With outsourcing, you can save up to 70% on staff costs, access to world-class professionals, and focus on growing your business. Get 3 free codes now. A data entry specialist must have great communication skills. Data entry is an integral part of any business. Your specialist should know how to communicate clearly with your other employees and your customers, both in written and verbal form. Another important skill you should look for when hiring a data entry specialist is research and data collection skills. They should be able to find information from various sources such as survey forms and customer databases and write that info down accurately and in an organized manner according to your specifications. Further, data entry specialists must be organized and excellent at managing their time. They should be able to arrange their work effectively and meet tight deadlines without sacrificing quality. If these qualities aren't present in a data entry specialist, working on multiple projects at once would be impossible and will therefore affect the quality of their work and their productivity.
That's a good point.
Those are the essential skills to look for in a data entry specialist. Now that you're equipped with that knowledge, you're almost ready to hire one for your business. You should know all your options first. A good one is to outsource data entry. Small businesses usually lack the resources to hire an in-house staff who can dedicate their time solely to data entry. And even if you did, it would be expensive. Outsourcing allows you to use the services of experienced professionals at a fraction of the cost. Additionally, if your business needs to enter thousands of records into an online system, it would require far too much time and effort for only one person. When you outsource data entry tasks to an offshore team, they can work faster and more efficiently. And there we go. That's everything you need to know before hiring a data entry specialist. Keep what you learned here in mind for the benefit of your business. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this, and see you on the next one.